We recently bought our home. We were looking to have our gutters cleaned, and I thought it would be an easy task, but it turned out not to be so easy. I called a roofer, and the roofer said they don't do gutters, but they recommended Guardian. So I said the website looked good and the recommendations looked good, and coming from another roofer, I chose Guardian. Well, they came and did our gutters perfectly. But while they were up on the roof, they said there's damage and there's other work that should be done. They had pictures and they made a presentation, and it was very clear that the work they proposed had to be done. So we set a date and they came to do the work on the roof. The work on the roof consisted of doing flashing around 2 skylights. Our chimneys were a mess. They had to repair the chimneys. Quite frankly, I now am in love with my roof. I never thought I would love chimneys. I love my chimneys. The skylights were over the bathrooms. We froze in the morning. Now that they did it right, the bathrooms are warm. So not only did they do excellent work, but the gentlemen that showed up for the roof technicians were professional. They were on time. They communicated, and it was a pleasure to deal with them. Quite frankly, I don't know how they did all the work, and then when they left, it looked like they were never there. So I would stand up and give Guardian Roofing a standing ovation. They deserved it from the beginning to the end. And now, like I said, I'm in love with my roof. I would heartily recommend Guardian to anyone that needs work done, because not only do they do the work, but they show you with photos what they've done.